Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your legal rights with LegalMatch step by step clearly. Visit the LegalMatch website at www.legalmatch.com. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your account. Select the legal category that best fits your needs. Provide details about your legal issue in the designated text box. Include any relevant information that may help potential lawyers understand your case. Review your submission to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Click on the Submit button to send your case for review. Wait for a notification confirming that your case has been received. Within a short time, you will receive contact from interested lawyers. Evaluate the profiles of the lawyers who respond to you. Consider their experience, ratings, and areas of expertise. Reach out to the lawyers that you feel are a good match. Schedule consultations to discuss your case further. During consultations, ask questions about their approach to your issue. Choose the lawyer you feel most comfortable working with. Once selected, discuss the terms of representation and agree on a plan. Stay in touch with your lawyer for updates and guidance throughout your case. Ensure all communications are documented for your records. Follow your lawyer's advice and provide any necessary information promptly. By following these steps, you can secure your legal rights effectively with LegalMatch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.